New roof May 28, 2020. No bond on this charming CABOT COVE patio villa in the Village of Chatham in Bramley Villas. Great curb appeal and low maintenance. This villa is move-in ready and particularly furnished/turnkey. A solar tube between the living room and kitchen makes this villa bright and cheery. Light 20 ceramic tile in the living room, dining room, laundry room, both bathrooms, and hallway and carpet in both bedrooms. The kitchen has white cabinets, large pantry, smooth glass top electric range that can easily be switched to a natural gas stove if you prefer. The lower kitchen cabinets have pull-out drawers. Inside laundry off the kitchen with a pocket door and cabinets above the washer and dryer. The master suite has a large walk-in closet and walk-in shower. The second bedroom is large enough for your occasional guest and/or an office. The second bath has a tub/shower. Screened lanai with painted flooring. The garage has plenty of room for your car and a cart and painted floor. Close to Chatham and Mulberry Recreation Center, 2 executive golf courses, 3 pools, the Mulberry Shopping Center and the VA clinic are all a short golf car ride away.